Hello from Tokyo! Today I will do a balloon smash technique after blowing out the paints and mainly use blue colors. I won't be using everything that's on this tray, so I'll list everything in the description box. But some of the colors are custom made, like the light blue there I'm pointing at is that other light blue mixed with a bit of titanium white. I won't use this dark green, deep green. However, I'll use a lightened version of it. So yes, it's best if I just put everything in the description box because at this point, I am still thinking about what colors to use. The base is titanium white by Mart, mixed with a pouring medium of 70% PVA glue and 30% water. Just taking some bits out there. So after torching to pop air bubbles, it's time to lay down the paints. And what I've noticed with doing these flower balloon smash paintings is that I tend to, at the very beginning, use a lot of different colors. And it's an experiment to see what works. And then in the end, I'll end up only using maybe 3 colors repeatedly. So you'll see that in the process as I go along. I'll be quiet now and speak to you in a bit. It's time to blow out the paint. The first few times I tried this technique, I was blowing the white over the colors like a lot of the Dutch pour artists do, but I find it can work, but it can also muddy the colors a bit. So do experiment with that and see how you go. You can always add more paint and change it later, which I do. I constantly tweak these paintings. I also like to use different straw sizes to see if it has a different effect when blowing out the paint. So here I've completely blown over the lovely ultramarine I just laid down, but the paint is under that. So if I chose to smash a balloon just there now, it could lift up the white to reveal some of that ultramarine. You can see what I mean here by using a thinner straw. You get a much more delicate, subtle effect. So sometimes I'll lay more color down in a kind of star or asterisk shape, and then smash the balloon down directly on that, and that can leave a little bit more color on the base. On this occasion, I am going to blow that star or asterisk shaped paint that I just plopped on the top there, just to have more surface for the balloon to smash onto. Here we go. So the paint left behind is very subtle. You can see it more when the paint dries, but this is why I repeat the process over and over again on the same spot. That one turned out nice. Remember to poke in the center to align the paint in the middle. And oh, that one's really nice too. Yeah, see how I do that over and over. So here I had some paint left on the balloon and I was hoping it would transfer onto the bottom. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. In this case, it didn't work. And as you can see, there's very little base left as well on that painting now because it's been, smashed off a few times. So I'm adding more paint here again, and hopefully this will rectify that part which is missing paint. And yay! See how it worked really well there? You just have to keep on experimenting. Now, do I ruin the next one or does it look good? Let's see. Oh, it still looks good. Great. So here is the finished wet version of the painting. The lumpiness or the bumpiness will smooth out as it dries, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's have a closer look. Those bumpy bits look a bit like coral at the moment. I'm loving the pops of yellow. I'm pointing out where my apron dipped into the white paint there. Whoops. And on the left, actually, you can see in any of the centers what it looks like if you double or, triple or quadruple dip the balloon in. If you keep on smashing, you do get all these wonderful effects. I do love that. There was a muddied bit, so I ran my finger through it as well. I ended up doing a tiny bit of tweaking, which you'll see next, and that is on that top right hand corner. I added some ultramarine to make it darker, and I did do another finger swipe through there because it was still a muddy color. And I did do another tiny balloon smash there as well, and that's it. So let's have a look at the dried version now. Everything's flattened out, and the phthalo blue is really dark, this version here, but it looks so pretty. Look at that. As the paints I used seem to be opaque, at least the paint brands that I used, there isn't much lacing in this one. But in the next floral painting I'll be using mainly Amsterdam and transparent colors, so you'll see a difference there. I love how bold the blues are in this painting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one!